So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today you join me as I'm just about to head out on quite a last minute shoot because one of my friends has picked up a brand new car and he wanted to do like a sort of TikTok reel video. I'll pop it up on the screen anyway for you to have a look at some point. But yeah, we're going to try and attempt to do that. Fingers crossed it turns out okay. And obviously we'll get a couple of pictures. I brought the GoPro along as well to sort of get a behind the scenes, see what we get up to, see how well it turns out. But yeah, let's go. So he's arrived. I heard him before I saw him. We were just saying that there's a stage 2 on it with some downpipes. Don't know if he'll give us a bit of something. It would start raining as well as soon as we've got here. So, reverse, like, yeah, that way. Go straight back now. Yeah, keep going a little bit. In fact, carry on going quite a bit. And then turn that way, come towards me, and just drive forward. Yeah, stop. Yeah, I like it like that. Just, put the DRLs on, like your full ones are on. I just want the line.
Just the line?
Yeah.
Savage thing.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, because it's on a bit of an angle, so it looks lower up front, even though it's already low.
Do you mean it's low?
No, that's what.
It's not.
It's, well.
Isn't it in straight?
No, is it not? I was about to say to you, put it up. We'll get copyrighted for that. If I don't think you'll be able to hear it.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks sick, all black.
Need that grill black in ASAP.
Yeah.
The 8 badges and shit black in.
Yeah. Keep the Mercedes badge silver though. It looks nice, doesn't it?
Don't put out only about 10 people now got it.
Only.
One of them being my dad.
Yeah, they do, don't they, actually?
Yeah. This is costing you.
Yeah. The sound as well. You what?
Grill's got to go there.
Yeah.
It just sticks out like a saw.
Oh. He don't even know how to work his car. But like, sort of like this. So like you're here. Yeah, go that way a bit. Yeah, keep going. Now stop, go back, twist that way. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Let's play again. Right.
I'm used to proper flat photos. I like to flatten a car. You know,
oh, like have it like...
Yeah, so if it were me, I'd go straight back onto them cobbles where it's flat there. But the angle's different, isn't it?
Yeah, I do like it. I mean, just because it's low up front, you want to make it even lower.
Fucking Photoshop, straight down wheels.
Well, yeah, but then...
Control alt drop.
Yeah, well, yeah, true. But to say... Yeah, to be fair, I did it with... Yeah, in it, I was going to say, when I could hear you coming straight away, I'm like, yeah.
Sports plus.
Yeah, literally. I'm just thinking, on the way to... You bought a car at the right time with the fuel costs, didn't you?
Yeah.
Really thought about it.
I prefer the lights on this compared to the
Them green bins in the background are pissing me off. So yeah, we've just finished at the first location. Thankfully the weather held up and it was quite dry. Got some nice shots as you'll have seen from the GoPro POV, but we're just heading to the second location now before we go to the last one, which has got really nice views. And it's a bit of a shame because I was hoping for a bit of a better sunset than this, but anyway, we get what we're given. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the shots so far, but we're gonna go do the video at the next one. So yeah, I'll see you there, bye. Thank you. The video is to get the reg on there.
What?
I'm talking to the GoPro.
Sorry.
Right, okay. Yeah, so this is the first shot.
That done?
Yeah. So move the car now. So we've got the first shot stood there with the car, and then he needs to move the we need to get the plate off of it, and he needs to sort of get exactly where he was before, because the idea is we're throwing the reg to land on the car.
You're going to see the tyre mark?
Reverse back.
Oh no, it's wet here, isn't it? So you won't see them.
Yeah, but just reverse back anyway, because then you're still out of shot. Like, anything past the back end of your car is out of shot. So the idea was to sort of get it lined up so that when he throws the reg, it looks like the car appears. So now we're back in the same place. He's getting his reg. He's going to stand there. All I'm going to do is try and sort of crop you out of the first bit.
Yeah.
And do it like that.
Oh,
So what you're doing now, so as soon as you throw it, just, yeah, go.
This is going to be a long night.
But keep looking forward. Like when you throw it, still look forward, because I think I'm going to try and cut you out. I think I'm going to do this for the whole clip.
I need to know where I'm throwing it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. After you throw it, wait like a few seconds. Yeah. So like count to, I don't know, 5 or something.
Not putting the right thing.
Yeah.
Just see it.
Gonna get a right workout now. You've walked this route about 5 times. Come on. Oh, nah, you got too cocky. The time before were better. To be fair, I hope because it's quite dark, you won't be able to see it as much.
Yeah. I want to make it stop it like dark.
Well, yeah. Yeah, that did. That like bounced as well, facing towards us.
Let's watch that.
So we've just got done with the little flybys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm really excited to see, and quite nervous to see what the video comes out like, because I don't really know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Look how good it looks.
Your Uber has arrived.